I wanted to pop on here real quick because I am staying at the Island Tower at Disney's Polynesian Village Resort, and you'll be seeing a lot of footage and social media postings this weekend and this upcoming week as I stay in Orlando. This place is perfect. I'm pretty good at sniffing out any small things that irritate me. It's super safe. You have to scan your magic band to get up into the tower. While it is a tall building, I think it goes up maybe 9 floors. We're on the 8th floor. And the balcony railing is pretty high for mommies. I know that's something that's kind of scary, but you can always request a lower floor. But that door is so hard to open. I made a video showing just how hard it is to get that door open. Now, if you are married to a muscle man or muscle woman, probably not going to be an issue. But for your kids, it's going to be pretty tough. And there's 2 locks, one at the bottom and the one at the top. Yeah, you're pretty safe here. The rooms are fabulous. Super amazing. The theme park views are literally what they say they are. I can see Magic Kingdom, I can see the castle, Space Mountain, I can see the Contemporary, Bay Lake, Grand Floridian. There's also a bunch of...
Good evening.
Okay, thanks, Minnie. There are a bunch of terraces. There's one on the 3rd, 4th, 5th, and 6th floor. The 5th one is pretty much probably the ones, if you've been on social media, you see people posting about. Incredible view. But probably gets pretty jacked up about happily ever after time. This place is perfect. I need like 3 or 4 days minimum here. Rooms are great, full kitchen. We're in a studio. I love it. I love what I do. Here's Mickey. But I wanted to also say, for those of you traveling to Disney any time of year, if you're worried about being hot, this baby right here, and I'll put a link either in my bio or in the comments. This is a game changer. And I didn't know if it would work great, and it works perfectly. Charge it in the evening, works all day long, and it really does work. And no, girls, your hair does not get caught into it. It just doesn't. So that is a must. Obviously, you want to wear a great hat. I'll put a link in my bio for this as well. Both of them you can get off Amazon. No, I don't have any like discount coupons and stuff like that. I'm not that fancy. I just know what I know, and I know what I like, and I know what works, and that's kind of how I do this. Yeah, if you have any hesitation about booking your trip to the Island Tower, this is your sign to book it. I stay at the Polynesian a lot when I come with my family and my littles, and we love it. It feels like a vacation within a vacation. Yeah. Normally I'm not a huge come to Disney in the summertime because it's busy and it's hot, and obviously. But I'm here for an agency fam, and yeah. Guys, just follow along. I'm gonna show you all the things, and I cannot wait for you and your family to come stay here, because you'll be going, oh my gosh, we should have booked this sooner. It's perfect. I have not found one thing wrong with this place, and I'm pretty good at finding the one thing. Haven't found it. So I love you guys. I hope you guys are having an amazing summer. It's about time for kids to go back to school. Moms, get in gear. Get ready. Kids are going back to school, and you're going to need to do something. Why not book your next Walt Disney World vacation with me Caroline at glassslipperconcierge.com, because Glass Slipper Concierge, we know luxury. And let me tell you something. The Island Tower is luxury. Absolute perfection. Okay?